Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Ronak Das. Today is the third episode of Pokemon Heart Gold and Soul Silver. And let's start the gameplay. Let's go to the route, which I don't know what is the route called. Huff Huff, I made it. I forgot about one thing. This is another taken from me. The guide card holding the map card. Okay, and we registered the map card. Okay, select the poke gear on the touch screen and select on the town map. Okay, you will be see the map of the region currently in. The poke gear became more useful as an I don't know, I wish. Okay, now let's go to the path 30, route 30. Let's go and hope not an encounter again. Let's take this Pokeball. We found a portion, yes. Okay, let's go straight. Let's see. This guy is not battling, okay. Then let's go to this house first. Okay. Hello. People usually calls me house of looking the Pokemon's house you did to visit. How kind of you. Do you have any apricons? Apricon tree bear fruits once a day. I have one of these tree too. Apricon are really something you can make Pokeballs and other things. Okay. They are quite useful. I have a feeling this is meant to be. I am so happy to give you. We received apricot box. Okay. Thank you, uncle. We received the apricot box, guys. Okay, let's go outside, and I saw apricot tree right beside this house. Okay, let's see. I think it's a green apricot. It's an apricot tree. Okay, it's a green apricot. I said you to guys that is a green apricot. Okay, let's go here. Let's go to the plant. Okay, here is a Pokeball. Let's first take it. Okay, we found an antidote. Okay, fine. Guys, I did the video the best team for Pokemon Soul Silver, and I will give the link on the description box below. You can see that video. The best team for Pokemon Soul Silver. It's an encounter. It's a level 4 PG. Okay. Let's tackle it. Okay. Oh, the first attack of our this video is an critical hit. Again a critical hit by our opponent, but a critical is a critical hit. That's so okay. Way less damage than last time. Oh, okay. I have to be careful now. Okay. Oof. Okay. We got 31 experience points. Let's be. Yes, our champ, our Cyndaquil, he will level up to level 6 and he learned Smoke Scream. Okay. Let's go forward. So many grass. Okay. Let's hope not to encounter again an encounter. Okay, fine. This time a level 4 Kakuna. Okay. Guys, you can see my new editing setup. Now I'm quite good in editing now. So give a like for my hard work and for my editing. I have done so hard work for this editing. Okay, let's go to this house. I think we should go here. It's Professor Oak, and you must send by Professor Elm. Okay. This is what I want Professor M wants. This This mystery egg. Okay. We put the mystery egg on the key item. A friend of mine. I bet you can't. And this kind of. I thought Professor M might be able to tell what this is. He's the best when it comes to the research of Pokemon evolution. That's a quote from the famous Professor Oak. You are returning. Here, your Pokemon have some rest. Okay, thank you. Okay, Professor Oak is coming. Professor Oak, and with that, I am the Professor Oak, a Pokemon researcher. So you are Ronak. I was just visiting my friend Mr. Pokemon. I heard you were running and arranging from Professor M. Professor Oak. Oh, what's that? A rare Pokemon? I see. You must be helping Professor M researching. I think you understand why. Professor M gave you. I will treat your Pokemon with love. Okay. Professor Oak. You seems to be dependable. How you would like how me to help out? That is the latest version of Pokédex. It's automatically records data on Pokemon you ever seen or catch. It's a high-tech encyclopedia. Ronak receives the Pokédex from Professor Oak. Okay, let's. Okay, I have to get Golden on City for my. Okay, I have a feeling that this is to be not the last time I will see you. Let's exchange numbers. Roanoke received Professor Oaks in the Pokegear. Okay, let's go outside. Okay, let's go to the Professor M's lab. Okay, Professor M called us. Hello, Roanoke. It's a disaster. I'm just terrible. What should I do? Get back here now. Okay, let's go first and take the pink apricot. Okay, it's again a pink apricot. Okay, last one is green and it's now a pink. Okay, let's go to Professor M's lab. Oh, again an encounter. I thought the small patches do not have encounters, but I was wrong, totally wrong. Let's run or fight. Let's fight. I think I should run. I think I should run now. Let's run. Okay. Let's go safely. Oh, okay. Yes. Again. Yes. That's my avatar. Okay. Yes, we jump one. Okay, we are clear. Let's go to Professor Oak's lab. First, let's heal up. Hello and welcome to Professor Pokemon Center. You want to restore your Pokemon health? Would you like to rest your Pokemon? Yes, Professor. Jenny. What is your name? Nurse Joy. Sorry, I just forgot his name. Her name. Thanks for waiting. We have restored your Pokemon to full health. Thank you, Professor. Thank you, Nurse Joy. This time I told it right. Okay. Okay, let's go here. Okay, let's go. What? Oh, who is this? A red hair kid. Oh, it's Silver. Now I remember. I think he wants to battle us. Yes, he wants to battle us. Oh, the animation is very cool. Okay. What? He chosen Totodile. Okay, one level lower than me. Let's tackle. No, first let's Leo. I want to lower its defense, then I want to attack. He also done Leo. Okay, great coincidence. Okay, let's tackle again. Oh, let's smoke screen. I want accurate fail. Okay, by mistake I clicked on smoke screen. Now I will click on tackle. Yes. Okay, 1/3 damage. Oh, okay, okay. Oh, okay. Let's heal up. Let's heal up. It's very dangerous now. Let's heal up. Where is it? No. Where is the healer? Where's my potions? Okay, here are my potions. 7 potions, yes. Okay, Santa Cool, don't worry. I'm with you. Okay. Okay, okay. Now we should easily defeat him. He does. We avoided the attack. Yes. Okay. Good. Avoid it. Great champ. You're the best. You dodge again. Okay. What you are saying? Okay. Tackle and it's finished. It's over. Yes. Our first battle is a win, guys. Yeah, that's cool. Now, what? It's not finished yet? Oh god. Now it's finished. Yeah, now it's finished. First battle we won, guys. By mistake, I thought that I already won. What? Okay. Okay. What champ grew to level 7? Yes, guys. That's very good for us. Let's go to a professor's lab. Bye bye, Silver. Okay, what will he say? He will say, give it back. Oh no. What did he just say? What it means? Leave it. Let's go to professor's lab. Okay. Okay. Oh, I have to jump from here. Okay. Now let's go. Our path is clear now. I think, yeah, it's a patch of grass. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Again, I encounter. Oh, it's okay, guys. Okay. Let's run it from here. Will not waste my PP of tackle and my health. God, again an encounter. Okay. Okay. Let's run it again. Yes, guys, this game is very smooth in my phone. Okay. Let's save it here, and next video I will go to Professor M's lab. Guys, in offline I will grind my Centacoil up to level 9 or 10. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video. Goodbye.